First, let's check out what's in our kit. This box right here is gonna have the hex gear. This tote right here is gonna have all the accessories. If you rented or purchased a generator, you'll have that on the side. The AC is already in the tote. And then you have your dam mechanism that acts as a template for the hex gear as well, just in case there's a lot of flooding. So let's check it all out. So this is our accessories kit. You have everything that you need in this tote right here. Other accessories will be separate if you rented or purchased them. So inside of here, most importantly, you have 8 18-inch nail spikes. These are going to be what's used to adhere the hex gear into the substrate, whatever surface that you're putting it on. They have little eye hooks on the end as well. They take a bit of time to hammer in, but that's okay. We'll show you further down the road in another video. You have 6 ABS fittings. ABS is just the pipe material that's used. This is for your dam and your template. We'll show you that as well. You have a knife to take the hex gear out of the box. You have a full locking mechanism as well as an accessory kit. You have a rope halo. This will be going over the unit. We'll show you that as well. You have a full custom-made heavy-duty tarp. This will act as your flooring. I'll show you that also. And then you have 16 pulleys that are going to be used in the installation process. The only thing remaining in here is the air conditioner, and we'll show you how to put that together. So let's dive into the next step.